Are you struggling to have content to post every day? Don't worry about that. I'm going to teach you how to post consistently, how to have content to post every day on your channel, whether on TikTok, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook. Contents are everywhere. Now, first, let me start with the warning. Here comes the warning. Don't crack your head. Stop cracking your head. Stop jumping your head together, thinking, what should I do? There are many ways to do so. And I'm going to teach you this in many ways. The first way is to use the search engine. Use the search engine. Go to TikTok, go to YouTube, go to Google. People are searching every day. So follow me through and see how to use the search engine. Look at it. All you need to do is click and search. First thing you do is you come to this search. You see this search logo on top here. You click it. Once you click it, it will give you option to search for a different topic depending on the field that you are good in. Maybe in marriage, maybe in health, anyone. So you just search. You're going to have big TikTokers in that field. Or you can go to Creator Search Inside. So let's start with Creator Search Inside. You're going to see now Creator Search Inside is actually very, very captivating these days because they give you what are trending. They give you the scores and the rest of the thing. So you can see on top here, Creators Search Inside. So I'll just click there, Creator Search Inside. Now when you come here, you're going to see different topics. See here, they say, see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create. So if you click this view, I believe you should have, all you need to do is click the view. Me, I have it. Once you click the view, it's going to load and show you everything. Now people are searching much on TikTok voice notes. You can make videos on TikTok voice notes. You can see that now 66%. And if you click this, you're going to see videos that people have made. Like these are, you can see the percentage now. You can see the percentage the way it is. And these are different people that are making videos on TikTok voice notes. Or if you don't want TikTok voice note, you can see different blog puzzles. You can see my story effect, makeup, 81%. You can just scroll carefully. You're going to see different kind. Night skincare routine. How many? 87%. So this is already giving you ideas on areas you can actually go in and make videos on. Marriage advice, 42%. Third party in relationship, 54%. That's how people search it. How to delete draft on TikTok, 73%. So if you know how to do it, you can. If you don't know, just come here. You're going to see people have made videos on it. Yes, people have made videos on it, how to delete drafts on TikTok. So if you're actually creating videos now on how to delete draft on TikTok, you can watch what they're doing here and recreate yours. With that, you've done something. That is on TikTok. You can use that Creator Search Inside. Or if you don't want to use this, but I recommend this as the best. If you don't want to use Creator Search Inside, but you have your own niche, maybe you are a doctor, you're a nurse, you can also come here and click on your topic, maybe health, just health and wellness, and click. It's going to give you people that are doing it. So you now come, going to have lot of views, followers, people comment. So you don't run out of content. With this, you will always have content to post every day. Subscribe because we're coming up with more of this content on a daily basis. See you next time. I love you and stay blessed.